Let's see how we can set up our new 2026 iPad Air with M4 chip. Just press the Touch ID and you will see the hello screen. You just swipe up and select the language. I select English and country will be automatically first. You just tap over that. It takes a little bit of time. You just wait. Okay. I just continue and set up without another device. If you have any another iPad or iPhone, you want to transfer all those files from your old iPhone or iPad to this new iPad app, you can wait for the nearby devices. For me, I don't want that, so I just click setup without another device. Use selected settings. Now you need to connect your iPad to hotspot or Wi-Fi. I choose my home Wi-Fi. Take this. Okay, now it's connected to my Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi. Now just wait a minute. It's a software update. I choose update later and continue and adult. And it's asked me to set up the Touch ID. I'm going to set up in settings, so I just click set up Touch ID later. And if you want to place the Touch ID, you just click continue and follow the upcoming steps. And don't use. And it's asked me to create the passcode. I just click passcode options and don't use passcode. I'm going to set up this in settings. Don't use passcode. And this is the part. If you want to get a backup from your iCloud, you can use this, or from old iPhone if you want to transfer all your data, exact all data and login credential from old iPad to this one, you can choose this. Or if it is from Mac or PC or from old Android phone. For now I don't want anything. I just click don't transfer anything. So now just enter the Apple ID and password. So here also we can set up without enter the Apple ID and password. You need to click this option, forget password or don't have an account, and click set up later in settings and don't use. Now click agree. It asks me the software update. I click only download automatically and location services set up later. Okay. Set up later in settings. Don't share. Continue. Apple Intelligence. For now, I just skip. We can set up in settings. Siri set up in later. So I just click this option, full screen and windowed apps. Continue. Get started. That's it. We come to the home screen. Let's see the spec, settings, and general. About iPad OS is 26.3 and model name iPad Air 11th Gen M4. So here you can see we come to the home screen without sign in to the Apple account. So this is it. This is how to set up your new iPad Air M4. And if you want to know more videos about iPad Air M4, you need to watch this playlist.